You bought a TRICO Force wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to install the TRICO Force blade onto a 19mm push-button arm. To determine if you have a wide or narrow push-button wiper arm, measure your blade with a penny. A penny will fit snugly into the end of the wide 22mm wiper arm. It will not fit into the end of the narrow 19mm arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, you'll need to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it with adapter BC. Identify the release tab for the pre-attached adapter. Press the tab down with your thumb while pushing the pre-attached adapter back toward the release tab. The adapter will disengage from the blade. Discard it. Locate adapter BC. Lower adapter BC into the cavity in the top of the blade. Slide adapter BC in the opposite direction of the release tab until it clicks in place. Adapter BC must lock onto the blade before you move on to the next step. Once the adapter is clicked into place, press the tab on the front of adapter B. Lift shim C off of adapter B and discard it. While keeping the adapter parallel to the arm, hold your thumb on the front of the adapter and pull the blade into the underside of the arm. The button on the top of the adapter must lock into the hole in the top of the arm. Then, lower the arm and be sure to check that the wiper blade is locked before use. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.